Hi guys, welcome to Jamaican Girl TV, and today we are cooking some ackee dumpling, Linstead ackee. That's a good kind of ackee, very close to where I'm from, Linstead, Yorkton, Polyground. Yeah, I'm from Polyground. That's where my dad is from. This is their market, Linstead. So we're gonna put some salt. This is the flour, guys. Gonna add some salt, not too much, and then the ackee. Okay, the ackee is already cooked, so you can do it this way. If you have to cook the ackee, you have to put a pot on the fire and put the ackee in. Let it cook for 10-15 minutes. Okay guys, but this is the ackee dumpling. This is history in the making. Jamaican love to eat ackee and dumpling, not ackee in the dumpling, but this time it's in the dumpling. Okay guys, and look, just stir your flour. Stir it this way, stir it that way. Just stir it just like regular, and you can use the spoon to cut it up like a professional. You know what you're doing, just keep the thing going. Ackee dumpling. Yes guys, that was the surprise. One of my videos, there was a surprise. Yes, ackee dumpling, history in the making. Ackee's in the dumpling, guys. So you're mixing up the flour this way, that way, so we can have some flour dumpling. Don't want to put too much water. You don't want it to be too soft. So yes guys, yes, Jamaican Girl TV, making the ackee dumpling. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Okay guys, and don't forget to tell your friends and tell your friend. Tell a friend and tell a friend. Tell everybody, Jamaican Girl TV with the ackee dumpling. Oops. Now you can use your hand instead of using the spoon. You can use your hand, guys. And because the ackee is in the tin, you got to remember you can use all the flour just in case. Because the ackee is in tin and it's in water. Yeah, it's in water for months and months. So does the callaloo, because I also did make the callaloo. So I have to get a little more flour to put in it. Then you can always buy the gold medal winning flour. Okay guys, okay, so there we go. It's in water for months and months. It's not like when you're on the island where you can just go outside, pick some ackee off your tree. Okay, because when me there in my yard, me have ackee tree on the back and a breadfruit tree. So me have ackee and breadfruit. Okay, you got to get a little more flour because the ackee is so soft, because it's in the can. So you get a little softer than the normal one. than if you just pick it off the tree. If you just pick it off the tree, you're good to go. But if you get it in a can, like when I did the callaloo, it was kind of soft because the callaloo was in the can for months. Well, the ackee is in the can for months too, because they have to export the ackee. So that is why, you know, turn out to be so soft. Open up the pot. To make sure, you know, it's kneaded in. Knead up the flour. Knead up the flour, man. Yeah, man. Knead up the flour. Knead up the flour. This look like a lot of flour. Ha! Ackee dumpling, lot of flour. And like me said, the ackee is soft because it's in the can for months and months and months. So you have to be careful with the amount of water you put in, because the ackee can be very soft. As a matter of fact, when I'm making it, you see how soft it gets, because the ackee is in the can for months. Months and months and months. Because they export the ackee. When we used to go to school, that was some of the things. You have to tell teacher what and what they export. That was one of the stuff. The ackee, so many things. Callaloo, banana, but the ackee all just mashed out. You know, like when you're making the ackee and you're trying not to make it mash out when you put it in the flour. It just mash out. Soft, soft, soft. That's how it go. Ackee dumpling. History in the making. So people, you can try it, you know, you can try it. You guys can try it. It'll taste nice. Ackee dumpling. Where's the other flour?
Where's the other?
Yeah, but some of this. Okay, give that to me. Because the export is tough. The flour is so, and the ackee is so soft. I'm just gonna knead it in. Knead it in, knead it in, knead it in. The ackee itself is soft. So when you pour in the water, because the ackee is soft and it mashed out in the flour, yes. The ackee mashed out in the flour. But it's ackee dumpling. Let me mix up this. Don't put a lot of water. ackee is so soft. That's what when I was doing the callaloo dumpling. Callaloo was so soft. But I think I put less water. You have to watch the water. But the ackee is soft, the callaloo is soft. You have to watch it. Yeah, I have to knead in the water, in the flour, guys. Knead it in. The Jamaican people would say, oh, be careful, mind you get in a trouble. Mind you get in a trouble. What they mean is that don't put too much water. Maybe I have to go change the pot to get the rest of this. We're going to put some corn in and stuff like that. And some corn like cooking a soup. Okay, guys.